Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of iHerb and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.